And I think most places will get some rain, but we should all see some sunshine too. In fact, it's turning out to be quite a sunny day across northern Britain. We've had spells of sunshine throughout the day across Northern Ireland. This is how it's looking in Belfast at the moment. It's bright across much of Scotland, and it's brightened up in the last hour or so in Newcastle too. And I think that's the way it's going to stay really across northern areas throughout the rest of the day. Most places dry with some sunshine. But looking at our satellite picture, you can see some thicker cloud towards the south. This is bringing with it some patchy rain, and it's all tied in with a cold weather front. Now, as its name suggests, it is bringing in some cooler weather because behind it, the wind is coming down from the northwest. So things are feeling somewhat cooler than of late across northern areas, a top temperature of 8 or 9 degrees Celsius, whilst down towards the south, it's still mild for the time of year at 11 or 12. That's 54 Fahrenheit. But we've still got more cloud across more southeastern areas, some showery rain too. That'll continue to slip southeastwards throughout the rest of the afternoon, but I think it will still be around across the southeast of England even into this evening. Elsewhere though, across England and Wales, brightening up, some spells of sunshine. We still could see 1 or 2 showers though across northern and northwestern Scotland. So through this evening and overnight we can say goodbye to the patchy rain in the southeast, and then most places will become dry with clear spells for a time. But then later on in the night, thicker cloud outbreaks of rain will move in across parts of Northern Ireland and Scotland. But for the rest of us, with the clear weather, well, there could be a little bit of patchy fog, particularly in central and southern England, and that's where we're most likely to see some patchy frost too. So temperatures here hovering around about the freezing mark. But up towards the north, as that cloud rolls in and the rain moves in, the temperature will start to rise around 3 to 5 degrees by the end of the night. And that sets the scene really for tomorrow's weather, a pretty cloudy and wet day for much of the time across Scotland and Northern Ireland. We're even likely to see some sleet and snow across the north of Scotland, particularly over the high ground. Meanwhile, that band of rain, some of it could be heavy, moves down into parts of northwest England and perhaps North Wales by the end of the afternoon. And we could also see 1 or 2 showers towards southern and western facing coasts of Wales and England. But on the whole, for England and Wales, it will be a dry day. Now, I'm not talking about unbroken sunshine. In fact, there'll actually be quite a lot of thin high clouds, so that'll make the sun rather diffuse. And it'll feel a little bit cooler for all of us tomorrow as temperatures reach around 8 or 9 degrees. Then on Sunday, a bit of a reversal of fortunes really, because our weather fronts will be slipping southeastwards across England and Wales. So here there'll be a lot of cloud, there'll be some showers too, though still around in the southeast by the evening, but a brighter prospect for Scotland and Northern Ireland. But it will feel quite cool for all of us, with temperatures of 7 to 9 degrees.